Yeah.
Already. Okay, Gary, is this your first fishing trip this year or what?
No, it's my second.
Second?
Yeah, man.
When was your first?
With Ronnie 2 weeks ago. I caught a 7-pounder, but...
Oh, wait a minute, I haven't got a wide angle on this one.
Anybody check the gas tank? We come to here.
Uh-oh.
I never think to check the gas tank, but it's... Yeah, there we are. There, this is what we're looking for. Look at the side. Ah, there he is. Isn't that neat? Oh, best side now, my back side.
You see what you do is you get them to say ah, and you gently slide the hook down their throat.
Oh, it's too
like
close.
That's strange.
Like that.
Mine said ouch.
And
get away from me, yeah.
Get away from
and
me.
you stick it out through their, just under her jams.
You better rehearse, eh?
Okay, and we just put her over into the reeds like that, and within 2 or 3 seconds, the bobber will go down, and I'll have the biggest bass in the lake. Ronnie, what are you doing to me? God, that feels
Oh,
just don't let me, don't let anything happen. Look,
this is Ronnie's.
Did I lose the one I gave you? For some reason, my bobber's still above water. It will go down, I guarantee you.
Oh, Jesus, I haven't got one yet. Oh, hang on. Have patience. Wonder. Uh-oh, fish on. Fish on, I think. Well, it's either that or it's mine. Mine's so big, I'm not sure.
Oh, that's...
Yeah, a little. Who's that, Don Rudd?
Whoa! God, have I got a big one!
Bring him in, bring him in.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah, that's Don Rudd, I think.
Still got my bit.
Oh, well, might as well just park that for a bit.
Oh, perfect.
And wait.
Absolutely.
And
Yeah,
wait.
and wait. And wait.
This shouldn't be called fishing, it should be called patience.
Yeah, or the waiting game.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the part I like. Just sitting here doing nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I get out here in the morning, 9:30 or so, I'm sitting out here and fishing, and I'm going, but does it ever feel good? I go right to sleep.
And you just come out by yourself?
Yeah.
Great. It's peaceful.
Just sometimes when I got nothing to do. Bill's been keeping me pretty busy this year.
First catch of the day.
Get a close-up of that, he ain't
You
very
gotta-
big.
No, we're gonna throw this. Oh, we're gonna throw him back.
Oh, this one's a little too small too. I'm gonna throw it.
We'll let this one go nice and easy. There we go.
Just like on TV, eh?
Yeah, just like on
Yeah.
TV. That was a line there, Gary. Yep, we've got it on tape. I hope I haven't got your line.
I hope not either.
No, I don't see another line. Oh, he's still flapping. All right. What a good fish. Swear like hell. Not saying much. I had a big hook in my mouth. Divorced her.
No. No, that sucker goes right down that tall grass and try to hide it. Sucker fish ain't blind, you see. Gary, you got a fish here?
No, he's just playing.
No, guys, this is for real.
Oh, yeah. It's for real. Oh, he's still swimming around.
got it going?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah, I hear it going.
Oh, here's a little bugger.
He'll jump again after a while.
Whoa. How come I've got a close-up here?
Pardon?
How come I got a close-up?
Oh, zoom back.
How do you zoom back?
Stop the tape first.
Go on.
Record. Do you see the record going?
Yeah,
there?
well, it's
Here,
going.
Well, I better get down. I'm gonna get smacked in the face.
Gary's got a whale on here.
Yeah.
You've got to see
Oh,
the
yeah.
expression on Gary's
Yeah.
face as he brings it in
He's
here.
about the size of Colin there.
Did he get away?
Oh.
No, he's on.
Is he still on?
Yeah.
Keep the line tight,
There he
Gary.
is.
Okay, hold on. Where is he?
Ah, it's not very big. We gotta toss this guy at it.
About like Colin's, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Holy mackerel, look at the size of this whale.
Yeah.
Hold him up, Ronnie.
Just a minute. What is it they say on TV? No, look at the colors in that fish. You see those
Man, oh,
stripes?
man. Put it in the sun and let's get
That
it.
is
burnt.
a beauty. Look at the
What is that,
size.
a 6-pounder?
Oh my God, this is a,
6
it's so big I can't get it on the lens.
Wait, look, I'm not going down in there.
Oh, really?
You'll need the pliers.
Yeah, get the pliers.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never done this before. Maybe I should videotape this part,
There's
guys.
a first.
What a terrific time to learn. Somebody,
learn?
Colin, you got one on out there. Look,
Oh,
look.
yeah, here goes yours, Colin.
Guide, I guess.
Oh, this is a great shot.
You're gonna have to keep this fish, Gary.
Do we have to?
This is a biggie. Yeah, this is a big one. Whoop, get away from the boat.
Oh, yeah. Well, we finally got
Oh,
some
this-
action. We were.
This is a big one. Ronnie, grab that, will you?
That's
Yeah, what?
compared to
fish?
that 6-pounder I had. I guess that would make that a. Wow, that must be a 12-pounder, man.
Where's Ronnie's bobber?
This one here, too. Here, can you see? You got your glasses. I can't see down there. The hook's gone down in where it's supposed to.
Look at that. Or you, I think you got a fish.
Oh, here I am.
Oh,
way
yeah.
up here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoops.
you got Gary's line.
Oh no.
Oh
I'm
shit!
out of it
Look
now.
at Gary's rod.
Well, what happened?
I got it
Oh,
all wrapped around.
fuck.
Where's the fish?
They're closer. Fuck, that's three fish? 4 fish we brought in a matter of 10 minutes. That was a nice one. Gary got the second one.
Yeah. Of course, the match your shorts. Oh, come on now. Okay.
Gary, you got a bite.
I got a bite again? No. No.
What is wrong?
So guys, can I have my spot back or what?
Go right in between us.
This little squeeze play of yours. Where'd you guys learn to do this too?
Just today.
Playing horseshoes.
Well,
See how good of a caster you are here.
yeah. Well, I guess I could.
I should get a tape of this to
That's
see
what
if
I'm
you.
trying to get.
Well, and if you fuck it up, we'll back the tape up until you do it right.
Hey man, I can do it perfect the first time. Watch this.
Yeah, I can watch this.
Isn't that a great one? Admit it. Oh boy. It'd be nice if we could have got that one on tape. I won't have any bragging rights now. I guess.
Starting to get a little chilly. You bring a sweater with you?
Oh, just this, man. Yeah, this is cool.
I want to go right in that hole.
You want to be right where I am, isn't
Lay
it?
your rod down there and jump in there and go on in.
Right up against the green stuff.
Oh yeah.
What you doing, Art?
Oops. I got. Hey.
You know what, Art?
Oops. I got. Hey.
As long as I don't float down there where you are.
Yeah. Because I started out there. And
Did you?
well, we had that little surge and we haven't had anything since.
Yeah, fishing in central Ontario.
The sun is set, the fresh air.
What to do?
I'm going to go into that hole right by the mouth of the
Okay,
creek.
yeah, let's see. I got it in the weeds! Where are you? I
You
love
can
it.
edit that, Colin.
Oh, God, I'm not editing this. Where in those weeds is it, Colin?
If you give it, there, come one
Yeah.
more, boys.
That was a great one in the weeds, man. God, did I ever like that?
Yeah. I don't want this. And I put it out there. Okay, this is the last one in.
Probably over right there right
So they're laughing at the size of the fish. Are they?
Where'd you guys go? Ronnie!
So do we have a midnight snack or what?
Catch of the day, catch of the
Oh,
day.
man.
They
Got minnows, did you?
Yeah, we went minnow fishing.
Jeez.
Not bad for
Did you go
minnows.
trolling?
Hey?
Did you go trolling?
No, it was too cold out.
So how are you now?
Better.
Can we see the bandage?
Yeah.
Oh, professional.
Yeah.
Barbecue. Barbecue.
My hair is a mess.
Your hair is a
My hair
mess.
is a mess.
Nothing about your leg. Your left leg being a mess also.
What did you do?
Yep, you guessed it. Now who is going to actually clean these fish? Let's watch. Find it.
Scrape the guts down.
Am I going to get closer or what?
Ronnie's got the pail
I got
to
the
put
pail,
the guts and the head into.
and Colin got the beer.
Yeah, Colin has got the knife.
The knife.
Yeah.
Are you hungry, Ron? No?
Just behind the gills.
I thought you said
Whoop.
you didn't know how to do this.
And we just sort of
Where's the fish that he saw?
slice gently right through
Oh!
the head.
That is so
Oh, and I missed the bucket. Okay, you ready?
And what happens with the garbage?
Oh, it just goes down into the pan.
Whoa!
Shove the knife through the gizzard and out the asshole.
Ooh!
Oh, I used to go in from the back end.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, fuck, you did it, Rob.
Us Englishmen,
Oh,
we
that's so
we go in the
gross.
front.
Yeah, I do from the outside.
Do you?
Mosquitoes
Yeah.
are crazy.
Maybe Colin doesn't know how to do it. I just thought he'd done it
There.
before. He's told me all those big fish.
Now, what do? Shove your finger up his asshole and scrape out the gut?
Let's go.
Oh, it's looking good here. Oh, yes.
Looking good. Look, this fella can hardly wait.
Mom, I'm not eating now. I don't like fish, and I'm glad.
Right.
Now pretend you're both going to vomit and
You don't
go to the ground, go to the ground. Ronnie, stay there.
Yes, sir. Right away.
Get the old
Friggin' city amateurs, eh?
Hey,
Here, I'll open one up for the Colin.
will you?
Oh, I
All
thought
right.
you. I
No,
thought
you-
you.
no,
Teamwork.
No,
See,
no.
look at this guy. Oh, Jesus. This is it, Colin.
Oh!
See?
Oh, there you go.
Now Ronnie will show his method.
Yeah.
Up the keister.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way I go.
That's what
Gee, so I did it right there a couple weeks.
None of us.
Another Greek.
You guys are all right. There, Slim, I'm done. How are you making out?
Huh? I'm still picking away at his.
Oh, that's because I got the knife, is it? Oh, one little. You ain't no Gloria Child or whatever her name is. You wanna hang that up?
The cook waits.
Gary, I'd like you to meet my brother.
Now that you know.
He's got the same nose as me.
Get away from me.
The minnow back. Look at.
Throw the guts down.
Oh, yeah.
Claw.
Blood there?
Get good color there, eh?
Yeah, that's the one Colin caught.
Cut off the tail, Ron.
Whoops.
It's your.
That's the blood that was on my leg.
You know, like
That's what
guts
it
and
looks
gizzards,
like.
Yeah, red.
tails.
See, you're part fish.
Everyone's got that.
Not everyone. You feel they call
Comes
blue
the tail.
I don't know.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
I just thought of that.
Me breakfast, barbecued fish.
No, thank you. I will pass.
You don't get up for breakfast anyway.
Good.
Uncle Ronnie always does.
And that is going to be breakfast.